Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you're not new. My name is Michelle, and for today's video, I have an Oak & Luna unboxing. Oak & Luna has a new earring line that has different sizes, materials, and textures, so you'll definitely be able to find an earring that's going to be perfect for you. I love Oak & Luna because they have a lot of different pieces that are very timeless, effortless, and chic, and these pieces that I chose today and will unbox and try on for you, these ones are definitely something that you can wear every day, elevate any outfit, and I really love the pieces that I picked out, so let me unbox them and try them on for you already. By the way, I will be sure to link all of the products in my description below and also in my LTK so you can shop easily directly from there. So let's open up the small box first. Here we have the small dome Huggies in the gold Vermeil, and I think they are just so gorgeous. I feel like these are something that you can dress up and down and wear day to night, and are definitely perfect for every day. Let's go ahead and try them on. Here we have one. And two. Here's a little close-up of what they look like on. These small dome Huggies are definitely the perfect size for every day, and also so comfortable on the ear. And if you are looking for something a little bit bigger, you might actually like the next one that I have. These ones are the dome Huggies in the classic size and also in gold Vermeil. Take a look at how stunning these are. These ones definitely make a little bit more of a bolder statement. Let me try these ones on for you now. Alright, and now here we have the classic dome Huggies in the classic size in the gold or Vermeil also. These ones, although they are larger than the small size, these are so light on the ear and also very comfortable to wear despite like how large it looks on my ear. I can definitely picture myself wearing these during a night out. These are so gorgeous and definitely can elevate any outfit. And honestly, these are the times where I wish I had a double piercing, just because I feel like the small dome Huggie and the classic dome Huggie would look so cute stacked together. Although it's okay because these also look so cute just worn separately and alone. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed my quick unboxing of my new Oak & Luna earrings. Make sure to check out their website because they do have a ton of different styles, sizes, and materials to choose from in order to create like a really cute stack, or also just to wear them separately on your ear. I chose the dome Huggies because these are definitely a classic look, and you can dress these ones up and down and wear them for pretty much any occasion. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I will see you guys in the next one.